GPS can be a helpful tool that's part of the volume navigation suite. GPS markers allows me to mark a specific area in my previously acquired CT or MR, and the system will automatically show me the corresponding location in my live ultrasound. There's several different ways that you can use GPS markers, and I'll demonstrate them all for you. The first is a target marker. Target allows you to mark one specific area and show as it's advancing through the anatomy. Maybe it's as you're seeing a needle tip, as the needle is progressing. So as I'm scanning now, I'm going to use target first, just by selecting it from the touchscreen. So if my area of interest is in the kidney here, with the right trackball function, I'm going to hit Set GPS. And now I can see it marked by the T is the same location in both my live ultrasound as well as my previously acquired CT. If I was following the advancement of a needle, for example, I can now say I see it maybe further along, so it's going to take that same target and move it for me as I move my arrow. So that's one example of GPS markers using target. Within the GPS pull down, I'm just going to delete that one and show you another example, which is using point. Point allows me to drop multiple areas of interest at the same time. So maybe I'm looking at a patient that has multiple cysts, and I want to be able to mark all of them as I'm scanning to be comfortable that I'm looking at each one individually. To do that now, I'm going to change to point. And now when I scan, I'm going to drop one right here. And I'll put one over here and one over here. And you see the numbered 1 through 3 as an example. As I scan away, the boxes get large. As I scan closer to them again, they become crosshairs. And as I scan the other way, the boxes change color and become large again. This way I can keep track of each of my GPS markers. I can also now change the orientation of my transducer, and it's going to show me that same location in the opposite orientation just by following it until it becomes a crosshair. Another benefit of GPS markers is you can use it just for ultrasound. So if I'm just tracking specific areas and I may have to approach them from a different location, I can use GPS markers to find that same location from a different orientation. These are just a couple of examples of how GPS markers can also help you in your clinical study.